palang ganito. Latte. We're gonna do water rafting today. Checking kung available pa. Pero mukhang available. Pero yung weather lang kasi medyo maulan ngayon. How long is the activity?
2.5 to 3 hours ata.
Yan guys, medyo tight yung schedule. Since mag-rafting this morning, 3 hours agad yung mauubos na oras. Tapos, if punta pa kami ng Monkey Forest, mga rest, baka kulangan yung oras. Let's see later. This one pala guys is the red paddle. You can also book this on Klook or anywhere. You can just go here in same price with Klook. What's this again?
Rosella tea. Rosella flower.
Rosella flower tea. Okay. Thank you. Kasi Rosella flower tea. Let's go. Asim.
Rosella. Apa na
Rosella.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus tea. Okay. Gamamela. Hibiscus tea pala siya. Rosella. Sarap. Guys, nakakatawa yung mga taga-SG. Is dapat bibili ako ng phone case para yung waterproof. Kaso, ang price sa akin 100. Then sabi nila, 2 for 100 lang nila nabili yung kanila. So, hindi na ako bumili. I'll just bring my action camera. And that's it. Yung mga kasama ko, 3 babae from SG, Singapore. Guys, let's go! Our first water rafting, but here in Nairobi. With our ladies from SG. Let's go. For the glasses. Dito kami sa Palayanan. Going to the river now. Yo, let's go.
Oh, wait. Now you're so smart. You can be a farmer already. I don't want to.
Cute yung ano nila oh. Gilid. Yung semento na lakadan.
Are you a vlogger?
Wannabe. Wannabe. There's ano daw. For the chicken. Kulungan pa. Gosh, di nila sinabi. Mahabang lakadan din pala to. Ito. Sakit pa ng legs ko from sa Pinida. We're still walking. I can hear the river now from here. Here in Magallanes. Every day. Guys, naririnig ko na yung river. Maraming step pa rin pala to. Sakit pa ng legs ko. Let's go. Wala tayong no choice. You can see it now from here. May mga tindahan din here. Let's go. Lamig ng water.
Dennis, any local people?
Say hi.
I hope you understand, enjoy, and then safe also in this trip.
Bye-bye. Time to paddle. Ang lamig. Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! This one is better than Universal Studio.
Yeah.
The real one. Hi. The big one! The big one! You guys okay?
Yeah. Oh my guys! Oh my god!
Yung result. We're good. Oh no! Okay. hard. Waterfall! Guys, I made it alive. Ganda ng waterfall. Oh! 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 Oh!
Gonna hit. I mean it.
Are we gonna eat it?
No. What's that? I don't know. Yeah. No. We can't be too bad. Guys, let's paddle one. Go. Guys, go. Guys, quick.
We're gonna fly later.
Left more. Okay, straight. 1,
2, 3, 4. We're gonna fly. I want that too. Yeah, let's go fly. Let's fly.
Wait, but this one got. It's up on this.
Sorry. Oh, that's okay. So sorry. What did I flip though?
So maybe you need some.
You need something to eat. Okay. Oh. Can I sabi? Galing minsan sa river. Thank you so much. Do you want coconut? Oh. Lasang buko. Malamang. Dito pala guys, after an hour, merong stopover. Tapos after that, 1 hour ulit na mag-rafting. So ito, if ever nagugutom kayo, may mga pagkain naman na pwede mabili. Noodles and all, mga drinks. The Teletubbies.
1, 2, guys.
Oh, it's a big... Oh. Backward. Okay. May paddle.
Go, guys! Go! What?
It's a big wood with a lot of trash. Ooh. Oh!
camera.
Oh! Oh! That's the best one!
Look at the camera. There.
Where?
At the umbrella. Yeah.
Ah! Woo! Oh! Oh no! Oh! My legs! Time for us to overtake. Let's go! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Let's go! That was enough. Bye guys! Are we done? Yeah. We're done. And we're going back to the restaurant to eat lunch now. It was fun. Really came from earlier. We're done. We're back here at the start point. Guys, the Indian house too lang. There's 10 tickets and wristband for the entrance. Let's go inside. Sakit talaga ng legs ko. Puro hagdan. Mga tea. Coffee. Brown coffee. Ginger. Coffee beans also. Different beans. Ganito sila mag-roast. How long is the line?
The line, later you can check down there at the
Okay.
swing.
But can I pay there?
Yeah,
Okay.
the cashier is there.
Okay.
You can take look first down there which swing you wanna do it, and then you just come to the cashier down there.
Okay. Ang taas niya pala nung swing. From the trees. Taas. Yun na. Guys, ang taas, di ba? Pababa. Single. For the single swing.
One eternity later.
Medyo fun. Medyo lang. Okay naman yung swing. Parang kang siniswing, pero mas mataas siya. Parang siniswing, iswing nga talaga siya. There. Actually guys, yung rice terraces, parang hindi na siya rice terraces. More on damo lang. May mga bagong tanim na palay. Pero ano pa kasi. Parang hindi pa siya ready. So, medyo pangit siya for me. So, in a way, okay lang. Yung fee pala is, para sa swing is 200. So, it's around, magkano 100? 350. 700 pesos just for the swing. Pero okay lang. Okay naman siya. 700. Ay, ito pala yung ano. Mas magandang pictures eh. Cute naman dito guys. Like, bawat daan may mga ganyan. Kita nyo. Wait. Where's the exit? Okay, diretso lang daw. Exit. Mga restaurants din here. Marami actually. I saw some pizza, mga quinoa, mga healthy na food. Meron naman. Medyo mahal nga lang siya. Lalo na yung extreme swing. Parang 300 plus siya. 1,000 just for the swing. Mga ganun. But the area, okay lang. From someone na from the Philippines. May mga ganyan din. Actually, mas maganda pa nga rice terraces natin. For me. Or wala lang talagang tanim pa. Kasi ganito siya eh. Malapitan. Mga ganyan pa lang. Baka kasi kakaani lang. Ayos ko hintay. May mga ganito pala sila guys. Maraming ganyan sa Bali. Even sa mga sa Seminyak, sa beach. We're here at the Monkey Forest. It's raining hard guys. So not sure if maraming monkeys. Sabi baka konti lang lumabas. And they have the guidelines here. Let's go guys, it's raining. Look, it's a monkey. There's a monkey there.
Which food is here, Nathan?
Don't take any food from fishing area. May kakain ba niyan? Ayan, ang dami nilang food. Daming monkey dito. Ayan, ayan sila. Ito, yun ang gawa nila. Ayan, ang laki mo ng mga puno dito eh. Very virgin talaga. Ayan sila, ang dami. Hala. Ang dami. As in. Firing. Taba. Guys, ang taba nila. The big one. Ay, monkey. Walang cute. May nagsiswimming. May nagsiswimming. Sungit. Swimming. Go swim guys. No jump. Ang galing. Woo! One more. You can do it. It's a big tree here, guys. Some temples are already closed because of this rain. Meron silang parang arena guys, pero not sure para saan. Baka may mga event sila. mga amphitheater acts or whatnot. Where? We're enjoying it, actually. The cafe. Let's go. Okay. Thank you. Meron sila mga tindahan guys dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta doon. Going back to Seminyak. We're here at the grocery. Yun, meron sila nito. Para siyang dragon fruit. Salak Bali. Salak. Napulag ko siya sa vlog. Parang sa Bali lang meron yan. I mean, Indonesia lang meron. I'm buying some pasalubong. Since today is a day before my last day, bumili na ako ng pasalubong. Alvin, yeah.
Alvin Saldo?
Yeah, that's
Alvin Saldo. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Ganda ng place. This month's specials for the drinks. Okay. Excuse me. What is your best seller taco?
It's a depends.
Chicken. One chicken. Do you have any recommendations from the small plates or something?
Well, it's
Another chicken. This one is taco.
that's a chicken.
Okay, one of them. And for the drinks, I'm gonna check the picture.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, looks good. Okay guys, let's eat the first our taco. Para siyang may cheese, pero chicken taco siya. Let's put some lemon. Lime pala to. So, okay. Then let's eat. Ang bango naman. Grabe ang bango. Ang bango ng napkin nila. Citrusy. May perfume to, for sure. Sarap siya. Next, salad.
How's the tacos? You think so?
It's good. It's very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's try this salad. Para siyang cheesy salad. Not sure if avocado siya. Or ano. Para nasa specialty nila. Special menu. Okay, let's try it. Sarap din. Very clean. Galing ah. Hindi ko mawara yung lasa niya. Ano ba to? Cucumber or whatnot? Pero masarap. May pagka-mango siya sa akin na hindi maasim yung texture. Para mango salad with cheese. Sarap. Everything was good actually. Next, let's try the chicken. Chicken tender. I think they have aioli. The chicken tender is so-so for me. Mas nagdala yung taco tsaka yung salad. But your protein is so good. Hello. What is Poca green tea?
Poca green tea is a tea in the can.
Is it cold or hot?
Sorry?
Is it cold or hot?
It's a cold. It's a cold.
Okay, one
can.
of that.
Like a soft drink, either like cola, but it's not like a soda one. It's
Okay.
a tea flavor.
Okay, I'm good.
So one, yeah.
Thank you. Ano ba order ko? Nalimutan ko. Yung salad. Ang sarap yung salad. Ano siya? Stracciatella, Parmesan cheese, candied walnut, honey, mustard, and vinaigrette. Hindi ko alam yung stracciatella. Check nyo na lang. Ito siya. This one. This one is Coca Green. 4-hour drinks. Just using the book for the bill. Anyway, share lang. Medyo malaki pala yung ano dito, place. Like 3 floors or 2 floors. Pero iba-iba yung dining. Isa dito, isa doon, sa kabila. Dito. Isa dyan. Isa dito. Sa baba, meron din. Tapos may mga sinampay. Dyan. Ito. Ay, no, cute. I don't know what's this. Pero cute may mga sinampay. Hindi, joke lang. Parang sinadya nila yung sinampay dyan. Ano siya? Pwede ka bumili ng perfume. Tatapat mo lang yung ano mo. Dito, tatapat mo lang yung pwede dyan. Tatapat mo lang yung leeg mo dyan. Ang cute. Ang cute ng concept nila. Ito yung toilet to. Ang ganda. Grabe. Kung ano? Isang bango. Ang galing. Kaka-inspire. I so fucking love it here. Sarap ng food. Ang ganda ng ambience. Kita nyo naman. Yung service, okay din. Yung mga server. Yung food, hindi naman siya ganun kamahal for me. For fine, I think, ano siya, yung lasa niya, for me, para siyang fine dining. Pero, not bad for its, yung quality ng food, ang sarap for its price. It's not bad, it's not really that bad. So, it's a must try here.